Hi to everyone, I'm Nadia here for Toolstop TV and I would like to introduce you a Henry Hoover. It's ideal to use for carpets, rugs and hard floor hoovering. Also the Hoover, it weighs 6.6 kilos and is on the wheels. It comes with the cord rewind system, which also the Hoover comes with the different accessories, different brushes, where you can use for different jobs. And also has the telescopic handle, right? Where you can build a longer handle or you can build a shorter handle. It depends on your preference. Let's see in action.
I saw your picture at